Hello everyone, welcome to Math Talk. I'm your host Brian Heisler, and today we're going to continue the series on how to calculate surface area, and we're going to look at pyramids. So the formula for the surface area of a pyramid is found at the top of your screen. It's also found in your reference sheet, so I highly recommend using that if you come to questions like this on the test. And as you can see, there are a lot of different letters in this. So surface area equals 1/2 P times S plus capital B. So let's break down what each of those letters represent. The P is the perimeter of the base of your pyramid. So you're going to have to calculate that. The S is what's called the slant height. So pyramids go up at an angle and they have a height to it on that slant. And so you need to use that as well. And the capital B represents the area of the base of your pyramid. So you're going to have to calculate the perimeter and the area of your base. So let's look at an example. We have a pyramid shown here, and we have the formula, and we have an example that says calculate the surface area of a pyramid with base length 5 meters, base width 6 meters, and slant height 7 meters. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in that information in my diagram, and we're going to use it in our formula. So we have a length of 5 meters, a width of 6 meters, and it really doesn't matter which one's length and which one's width. And then we have a slant height, which is this height right here, that is 7 meters. So I want to take that information, I'm going to plug it into my formula and find the surface area. So let's get started. So surface area is 1/2 P. P represents the perimeter of your base. So you have the length, you have the width. To find the perimeter, you have to add up the length plus the width plus the length and width again, because there's 2 lengths and 2 widths to a rectangular base. So we have 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6. And then we multiply that times the slant height, which is 7. And then we add the area of your base. So the area of a base of a pyramid, since it's a rectangular base, is length times width. So 5 times 6. Okay? So let's break this down a little bit and find the surface area. Surface area is 1/2 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 is 22. 7 plus 5 times 6 is 30. Okay? Let's keep going. Half of 22 is 11. And so 11 times 7 plus 30. And we'll keep going even further to get our answer. Okay, so we have 11 times 7, which is 77, and plus our 30. So we add up 77 plus 30, we get our final surface area of 107 meters. And remember, you always want to include your units, and we're talking about meters, and since we're talking about surface area, or area of any kind really, it's squared meters. So 107 squared meters. All right. Now that you've seen an example, let's see what you've learned, and let's see if you can calculate the surface area of this pyramid here. I've given you the base length and width, and I've also given you the slant height. Use your formula, use the definitions that you just learned, and see if you can calculate the surface area of this pyramid, and let us know what you get. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or you need assistance and you live in the Palm Beach County area, visit our website at geds.com to find a location near you and sign up for classes.